I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC compressor. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the battery is disconnected for safety. You'll need to safely discharge the refrigerant from the AC system using a recovery machine. This step is crucial for both your safety and environmental protection. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, like safety glasses and gloves, throughout the entire process to prevent injury. Once the system is discharged, you can begin removing the old compressor. Start by disconnecting the electrical connectors and the refrigerant lines. Be prepared for any residual refrigerant. Next, you'll need to remove the serpentine belt to gain access to the compressor's mounting bolts. Carefully unbolt the old compressor and gently maneuver it out of its mounting bracket. Take care not to damage any surrounding components. Now it's time to install your new AC compressor. Before connecting the refrigerant lines, make sure to install new O-rings to ensure a leak-free seal. Carefully position the new compressor into its mounting bracket and secure it with all the bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the refrigerant lines, ensuring they are snug and properly seated. With the new compressor installed, the final steps involve evacuating and recharging the AC system. Use a vacuum pump to evacuate the system for at least 30 minutes, removing all air and moisture. Then, recharge the system with the specified amount of new refrigerant, typically measured in ounces or pounds. Finally, start your engine, turn on the AC, and check for proper cooling and any signs of leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.